Cause I've been ballin' for a while now. I get money by the pile now. Every day I'm counting bands, yeah. I'm the motherfucking man, yeah. Bitches say they know my style now. Niggas tryna steal my style now. They know they ain't duplicate me, so all they can do is hate me. All these bands bustin' out my pocket, I can't hide it. Fuck that, bitch, I got them, they can't doubt it. 40 on me, it's a rocket, you can't stop it. Run up on me, I'ma pop it, please don't try it. All these niggas hating on me, cause I got my bands up. If you a broke nigga, just know I can't stand ya. No, I can't stand ya, no, I can't stand ya. If you ain't a real one, then I won't shake your hand, cause fuck these broke niggas, and these old bitches. I'ma touchdown and act like I don't know, niggas. If you ain't hold me down in jail, you should know, nigga, that I don't fuck with you, cause I've been ballin' for a while.
Hey you guys, so today in this video I'll be trying the rice and water. It's supposed to help your hair grow and stay healthy. I've been reading reviews on YouTube and stuff like that, and so far the what they be saying in the review, it have been helping the hair grow and stuff like that. You know, in my previous videos I've been saying I've been using hair, skin, and nails to help my hair grow and be thicker, and I've also been using eggs and mayonnaise method in my hair, helping my hair grow and get thicker, and it had been growing. It showed improvement. I'm gonna put up some pictures of how my hair used to look and how it looks now. Just enjoy this video and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that post notification so you can always get verified when I upload new videos. Watch all my previous videos if you haven't, and just keep on watching. So basically things you're gonna need for this video is rice, a jar, and water. That's the only three things. You can use peppermint oil, and you can use lemon pills in your water with rice inside. I mean, I made this probably like 2 days ago. In your hair, you wait 3 hours, let it sit in the water for 3 hours, then you could use it on your head. So today I'm gonna be using this on my hair first, and I'm gonna deep condition and shampoo it. So let's get into this video. This is the rice in the water. And don't mind if the water look all like white like this. It's because it's been sitting in the water for so long. I'm gonna start pouring a little bit of this out. Just put it on your head. forgot. I want to show you guys how much hair that I lost. So this how much hair that came out the pic. This how much hair came out of my brush. It's much, just a little ball. That's how much came out my head. My hair feels very soft now. It feels very straight, and I haven't straightened it yet. Right now, without it straightening, it looks straightened, but it's just a little piece that came out my head. Just a little